it's closed. Patience is key. Ah, we're on to one. Last one, beautiful squid. It's pretty medium sized to small, but yeah, that'll be good for a catch and cook today. So I actually bought a few other ingredients as well, so I'm gonna cook something up fabulous. It's not your everyday catch and cook where it's just chuck it in the pan or chuck it on the fire and that's it. I'm actually gonna add some spices. I got, yeah, just wait and see. Stick around. Yes! Another one! Yoo-hoo! Look at that! Oh, it's upside down. Oh, we got one! Woo! I thought I'd get one more for Mum and Dad so they can have a squid each. I do a catch and cook with the one. I'll show you guys how to clean it as well. Look at the colours in them. I've literally bought everything for this catch and cook, guys. I bought my good chopping board, bought shelter, of course. I've actually got to go pick some up today because I'm due for some more. And we pretty much got 3 squid. One of them I will be cooking up and eating, and the other 2 I've caught just for Mum and Dad so they can have a squid each for dinner. And I will be showing you guys how to clean all the squid and everything, get all the guts out, how to prepare it. The wind's definitely picked up now, but I'm still gonna punch out there because it's all protected around here, so like, it doesn't pick up too much like on the open ocean. So we're just gonna go for a bit of explore. I'm pretty keen to see sort of what's along that point. Let's go. Better slow down a bit. Swell's getting a little bit choppier out here. At least there's no rain today. If you guys are enjoying these episodes, please make sure you comment below. I love to see all your comments. Chuck a like and subscribe if you want to. It's completely free, you don't have to, but I really appreciate it from every single one of you. So yeah, let's get on with this app. Woo! Definitely be interesting to see how deep it is here. I don't have my sounder on me today, but it looks proper dark. I just wanted to give you guys a little rundown on this 4-stroke Mercury. It is just brilliant, like, can't get enough of it. Awesome engine, awesome design. Pretty much this is your fuel tank, clips straight into here. We've got a cover on it at the moment that just protects it from the sun and stuff. But what this switch does, it's a co-pilot steering friction. So what you do is you slide it across and the engine actually swivels a lot easier. Right now it's pretty medium, so wherever it is, even in this swell, it pretty much steers, and I don't have to really steer it. Like, I can just leave it there and yeah, so forth. But if you want it a lot looser, you can loosen it, but then it sort of chucks you around a bit. But if it's even stronger swell than this, you can actually just lock it in place and that just won't move at all. So really nice design. It's got a handle down here. Obviously you got your lock-ins there. That's to lift the engine, your pull start. These also come with the electric start, but we just opted for the pull start because honestly these engines are just that easy to start. They're so reliable, and yeah, I just absolutely love them. So yeah, there's your little kill switch. I actually should be wearing that. So if you're ever on a boat, definitely make sure you chuck that on, don't copy me. Here's obviously your forward, neutral and reverse. And yeah, pretty much just a little rundown on how to use the engine, even though it's pretty simple. I always show you that. This one's actually a long shaft to suit the bluefin tinny that we got, the 3.8 meter varmint. And yeah, you just can't go wrong. It is absolutely the ultimate combo for a tinny. Grab the biggest, this big fella. First you want to just stick your thumb in here, rip its head off. After you got his head off, you just want to cut down just behind the eyeballs, like that. So you're left with just the tentacle bit. And this can be used as bait. Next thing you want to do is you want to dig your fingers in. Behind there's a backbone right here. See that? It's like a piece of plastic. And what you want to do is you just want to push all the way down along it. And I just bursted the ink tube, which is not what you want, but it's alright, we'll go wash all that up. And then you want to pull that out like that. Grab all of this good stuff and rip that out like that. And there you go. All this can go to the birds over there. I basically cleaned all the squid tube out. Everybody has different ways of cleaning stuff and filleting fish, but this is my way of doing it. So what you want to do is you want to grab the flaps like that and just cut. So remove that, you got that to the side there. You want to flip it around and do the same for the other side. What I usually do is cut them in half, but today we're just going to leave them full. And then you pretty much got your squid tube left. And today we're going to be stuffing it with a bit of rice and some herbs and stuff and chucking it straight on the fry pan. We got fire, baby! Shout out to Brody Moss, you're a legend. Big inspiration. We're going to stuff it. Once you've stuffed it, just chuck it on. Our tentacles on. Going to put a bit of salt on it. Kano leaves. Oh man, look at that. Squid tube stuffed. Oh, if only you could taste this. This is, look at that. That's it for this episode, guys. If you did enjoy, please leave a like below, please leave a comment and smash that subscribe button. And yeah, tell me if you guys do like these episodes like this with the catch and cook. This is my second catch and cook and I thoroughly enjoyed every minute of it. So please let me know if you did enjoy it, because there will be a ton more coming. So cheers guys, see you on the next ep.